Welcome back everybody. I'm at my bus again at Town and District Transport Trust. It's Rochdale Auto Recovery. She's arrived perfectly. Put some fuel in. In case you want Red Rose's number. That's what they do. She's well looked after. She doesn't need redoing properly. This is her new home from now on. This is where you'll see me. TDTT. Bus tour. These videos will be uploaded when I get back home Saturday afternoon. So it's still the same issue with it rotting, so it doesn't need stripping, redoing, usual. Yeah, so she's here in big one piece. She works, no issues. Gone up 18 miles since last time. Allison transmission. Yeah. Optare Excel Mark II. That's me. Welcome to the channel. If you like, comment, subscribe for more videos.